Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all are safe, happy, and healthy. And happy Mother's Day to all of you. Now, today I am going to teach you about chapter 3, the northern and coastal plains of India. Okay, ready? Yes, but before starting, I have a request to all of you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it first of all to motivate me, and like the video and comment also. Okay, you must comment, okay, how is the video? Okay, just you have learned something by this video or not? Okay, so you have to write comment. Okay, now let's begin. Yes, the northern plains. The northern plains, the plains of India, we will study about in this chapter about the northern plains, the coastal plains. The northern plains are located towards the south of the Himalayas. It begins from Punjab to Assam. Okay, northern plains covered the area from Punjab to Assam. Okay, and the Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries have formed these plains. Okay, these played many most important role to form these plains. Okay, so all these plains are made by these rivers. Which rivers are these? These are the river Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra rivers. Okay, and their tributaries have formed these plains. Clear, everyone? Yes. Next one, the Bhakra Dam is built on the Satluj River. भाखरा डैम इज बिल्ट, कहाँ बना हुआ है भाखरा डैम? ऑन द रिवर सतलज. ओके, एंड द ब्रह्मपुत्र इज कॉल्ड टू सांगपो इन तिब्बत. और जो ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर है, it is the name is changed in Tibet. So it is called Tsangpo. It is known as with the name, the Brahmaputra river is known as with another name, that is the Tsangpo in Tibet. Okay, beta. Yes, because as you are having two names, your school name is different, your house name is different, you are having your nickname. So as same, Brahmaputra is also having different names. This river Brahmaputra is also known as with the another name, that is Tsangpo in Tibet. Clear, everyone? Yes. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers flow through Bangladesh. कहाँ से ये बहती हैं, कहाँ से फ्लो थ्रू करती हैं? Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flow through Bangladesh and form the largest delta. और एक बहुत बड़ा डेल्टा बनाती हैं, the largest delta of the world. वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा डेल्टा ये फॉर्म करती हैं, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द सुंदरबन डेल्टा. ओके, सो विच इज द लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज सुंदरबन, एंड दैट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय दीज rivers. Okay, the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Okay, yes. Now the northern plains, you can see these are the northern plains. Okay, started from Punjab to here Assam. Okay, these are green portion you can see in the map. These are northern plains, and these plains are made by the rivers, and these rivers, river Indus, river Brahmaputra, and river Ganga. Okay, so ये कैसे बने हैं ये plains? ये इन्हीं rivers से बने हैं, because these rivers bring silt with them, and broken pieces of rocks they bring with them, and they by those pieces, by those silt, these plains are made. Okay, उसी से बने हैं बेटा. Okay, and we will study about these plains. These which states are covered here. जहाँ यहाँ पर जो states हैं, those states are located here in these plains. हम उसके बारे में study करेंगे. We will study about the states, those lying here. Okay, in these plains, and we will study about the coastal plains also. Coastal plains, these are just, you can see the southern part of our country. Yes, and the coastal plains are started from Gujarat coast up to where? Up to West Bengal. Okay, here up to here Odisha, here Utkal coast. Okay, So now let's begin. Yes, these are the northern plains. You can see in the picture clearly. So these the green portion, all this green portion is known as with the name northern plains because it is located in north. Okay, you can see the river Ganga. Okay, the river Ganga flows through these plains. Okay, and it originates from Gangotri Glacier from the Himalayan region. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now just see, rearrange the letter to get the names of few cities. Okay. Yes. This is Mumbai. Next one is Guwahati. Third one is Delhi. And wait a minute. Yes, let me see. Yes. Now, next one is that is Chennai. Okay. And next one is Patna. And next spelling is Kolkata. Okay. And which of these cities are located on the coast? Coast पर कौन सी cities इसमें से located हैं? Okay. What is a coast? Coast is a river bank or the ocean bank. Okay. Side. Okay. Land portion. That is the land that meet with the ocean, that is known as the coast. That area. Okay. Then that land surface is known as with the name coast. Okay. And that is Mumbai and Chennai. Okay. Yes. Now next is a flat and level land is called the plain. Okay. What is plain? You must know, you must learn what is a plain. A flat and level land is called a plain. The plains of India includes the northern plains and the coastal plains. The northern plains are these, and the coastal plains, that is in the I told you this just before few seconds. Yes, that is started from the Gujarat. Okay, Kutch from Gujarat and up to here, up to West Bengal. Okay. And the northern plains are broadly divided, and these plains, yes, these plains you see in the given picture, this is green portion, northern plains, these are divided into three sections. कितने part में divided हैं? Three parts. Okay, so these are the Indus or Punjab plains. Second part is the Ganga plains, and the third part is the Brahmaputra plains. Okay, yes. Now next is, as you can see, the coastal plains, coastal line of India. You can see these are the coastal plains. Okay, so these coastal plains started from Gujarat and up to here, Odisha. Okay, in West Bengal. Okay, and just see this, the green, this is yellow color side. This is known as with the name Gujarat coast, and this is the green portion you can see up here. This is known as Konkan coast, and this is the purple side you can see. This is the western parts. Okay, so Malabar coast. Okay, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. And this is the Kanyakumari, tip of the southernmost tip of our country is known as with the name Kanyakumari. Okay, so we will study about Gujarat, Goa and Kerala. Okay, because those states lying over here, जो states यहाँ पर इस areas में हैं, इस coastal plains को cover करती हैं, तो उन states के बारे में हम study करेंगे. We will study about these states. Okay, and here just in east, this is eastern coastline. You can see Utkal coast and Sarkar coast, northern Sarkars. Okay, and Coromandel coast. Okay, so we will study about Tamil Nadu also, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Okay, so about these states we will study. About the coastals, those states covered the area of coastal plains. Okay, and here about the states, those come in the northern plains, we will study about those states also. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. And these are the two islands groups, Andaman and Nicobar island groups in the east directions in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, which water body? The Andaman and Nicobar islands are located in the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep island group is located in the Arabian Sea in the western part. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now just see the coastal plains. Wait a minute. Yes, coastal plains, the plains that lies along the coast is the coastal plain. Yes, these are the coastal plains. Okay, you can see the colorful line. So these are known as with the coastal plains. Okay, and it is divided into western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Okay, now just see, let's assess your knowledge. Check about the checkpoint, and that is a plain is a flat and level land. Okay, plain and level land. Okay, and now the main tributary the main tributary is of river Satluj is Bias. Okay, and river Brahmaputra is called Tsangpo in Tibet. Okay, now next one is Amritsar has the famous golden. Yes, river Brahmaputra is called Tsangpo in Tibet. Amritsar has the famous Golden Temple, and the people of Bihar celebrate Chhat festival. Okay, Chhat festival. So now we will study about all these states. Okay. Now coastal plains. What are coastal plains? These plain stretches. These coastal plains started from Gujarat to West Bengal. Okay, and here you can see. Wait a minute. Yes. So the two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Just see, you can see in the given map at the corner of right hand side. Yes, this is a tip and this is Kanyakumari. All these two plains, western coastal plains and just see the eastern coastal plains. These meet at Kanyakumari. Okay, this is southernmost tip. Okay, of our country. And western coastal plains, the western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Okay, and it stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Just see, it started from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay, this is called western coastal plains. Clear? And it divided into three parts: Gujarat coast. You can see here, this is Gujarat coast, and next one is Konkan coast in the middle. You can see this is known as Konkan coast, and look at the next one, the Malabar coast. Okay, towards the south. So you can see this is the last one. This is known as the Malabar coast. Clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now lagoons. What are lagoons? Lagoons are backwaters. Okay, and are found along the Malabar coast. कहाँ पाए जाते हैं ये backwaters? These are known as with the another name lagoons. Okay, these are found along the Malabar coast. Okay, yes. Now just see, this is a Satluj river basin. Yes, and the sea Ganga basin, and next one is Brahmaputra basin. Okay, so the river Satluj basin origin so started in Tibet. Okay, and its main tributary is Bias. Okay, and the states which are the part of the Satluj basins are Punjab and Haryana. Okay, state Punjab and Haryana. These two states covers the basin of Satluj river basin. Clear, everyone? Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now look at the Ganga basin. So Ganga basin, it starts कहाँ से start होती, कहाँ origin होता है इसका? From the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayan regions. Okay, and its main tributary, the river Ganga basin, the main tributary is Yamuna. Okay, yes, and the states which are the part of the river Ganga basin, yes, these are the states. Which are the states made by the Ganga basin? Okay, which are known as the plains. Which plains is the Ganga basin? Okay, yes, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, now look at the Brahmaputra basin. So Brahmaputra basin starts from the Tibet. Okay, and its main tributary, the main tributary of Brahmaputra river is here. You can Brahmaputra river is no tributary is there. Okay, and you can see the states which are lying, which covers the parts of the river Brahmaputra basin. Okay, these are, yes, you can see in the given picture, these are Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Clear, everyone? These are made by these these plains are made by the river Brahmaputra. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, you can see in the given picture, these are the lagoons of Kerala and Bhakra Dam built on river Satluj. And here you can see these are the Sundarban Delta, okay, formed by the river Ganga. Okay, and this is the largest delta in the world. Okay, and now look at the coastal plains. These plains stretches from Gujarat to West Bengal, and the two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Yes, correct. And western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, and it starts from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay, cover the area from Gujarat to Kerala, Western coastal plains. Okay, and Western coastal plains divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast towards the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast towards the south. And lagoons and backwaters are found along the Malabar coast. Okay, and these are the three ranges of our mountains, Himalayas. Okay, that is Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. Okay, you must remember. Yes, just see these lagoons are the backwaters found along the Malabar coast and eastern coastal plains. Okay, just see these people are making salt. Okay, from the on the coastal plains. Okay, this salt कैसे बनाया जाता है? यहाँ पे क्या किया था? Salt pans बनाए जाते हैं और उसमें वाटर भरा जाता है. जब वो वाटर जो है ड्राइड अप हो जाता है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवापोरेशन, इवापोरेट हो जाता है सारा वाटर, तो फिर क्या लेफ्ट बिहाइंड क्या रह जाता है बेटा? सॉल्ट रह जाता है. ओके, तो इन दिस वे द सॉल्ट इज प्रिपेयर्ड, ओके, मेड बाय द पीपल. ओके, बिकॉज ओशन वाटर इज salty. Now look at the Punjab plains. Okay, the western part of the northern plains formed by the Indus River. जो western part है ना North Plains का, वो किससे बना है? River Indus से बना है and its tributaries. Its जो इसकी जो tributaries हैं, इसकी जो main rivers हैं, उनसे बना है. आप इसको tributaries को ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे आपका hand और आपकी fingers है. आपके एक hand में से fingers निकल रही है ना, so you can just imagine suppose that your hand is a main river and your fingers are tributaries. Clear, everyone? Yes. And the larger part of these plains lies in Pakistan. और इसका जो ज्यादा पर जो most of the part है ना इसका river Indus का, वो कहाँ है? वो पाकिस्तान में है. Okay, and these are the main tributaries of river Indus. Okay, तो इंडस रिवर क्या होगी बेटा? आपका एक हैंड हो गया. सपोज योर राइट हैंड इज रिवर इंडस एंड जो फिंगर्स है वो 5 फिंगर्स इसकी क्या हो गई है बेटा? दीज 5 फिंगर्स आर द ट्रिब्यूटरीज. ओके, यस, झेलम, चेनाब, रावी, ब्यास, सतलुज. ओके, नंबर 1 फिंगर को शो करेंगे. यस, दैट इज झेलम. नेक्स्ट फिंगर इज चेनाब एंड थर्ड फिंगर इज रावी एंड फोर्थ फिंगर इज Vyas and then river Satluj. Okay, so this is called even the Punjab is also known as the land of the 5 rivers. Okay, and these are the main tributaries of river Indus. I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Okay, सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. And आप मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताएंगे कि आपको ये समझ में आया. Okay, yes or no? Yes, understood or not? Okay, कमेंट सेक्शन में जल्दी से मुझे लिखकर बता दीजिए कि आपको ये इंडस रिवर बेसिन समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. ओके, एंड प्लेन इज डोमिनेटेड बाय द डुएब्स. ओके, डुएब्स क्या होता है बेटा? लैंड बिटवीन 2 वाटर बॉडीज. जो लैंड होती है ना, जैसे बीच में तो लैंड आ गई और इस साइड आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी रिवर आ गई और राइट हैंड साइड में भी रिवर आ गई और सेंट्रल पार्ट में क्या आ गया? Land आ गई. So that is known as doabs. Okay, doabs are the land between 2 water bodies, means that rivers. Okay, between 2 rivers. Now the northern plains. Okay, you can see here in the given picture the northern plains. These plains is very productive, बहुत ही productive होते हैं, very fertile and rich in minerals. ये बहुत ही रिच होते हैं, बहुत ही गुड क्रॉप्स इसमें ग्रो की जा सकती है. एंड रेनफॉल इज फाउंड, हैवी रेनफॉल अकर्ड हियर इन दिस प्लेन्स. बहुत अच्छी रेनफॉल होती है, गुड क्वालिटी रेनफॉल. एंड एग्रीकल्चर इज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग इन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. ओके, and the northern plains lie towards the south of the Himalayas. Okay, they they started from Punjab to Assam. Okay, and many rivers which originate which begins in the Himalayas फ्लो थ्रू द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. जो जितनी भी रिवर्स है वो जो हिमालय से स्टार्ट होती हैं, तो वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाती हैं, वो फ्लो कहाँ तक करती हैं बेटा, वो अपने पंजाब से आसाम की तरफ. ओके, and these rivers carry water throughout the year. और ये पूरा साल, in all the months the water is available in these rivers, just because of the glaciers melts and it changes into the water and flows through the plains. Okay, and they also bring with them, these rivers bring with them broken pieces of rocks, sand and silt. ओके, ये जो हमारे जो प्लेन्स बने ना बेटा, सो ये किससे बने हैं, जो ये जो रिवर्स अपने साथ में अपने जब फ्लो करती हैं तो साथ में क्या लेकर आती हैं, ब्रोकन पीसेस, छोटे छोटे ब्रोकन पीसेस चंक्स होते हैं उसके रॉक्स के, और साथ में सैंड लेकर आती हैं और सिल्ट लेकर आती हैं, और वो क्या होता है साइड में कलेक्ट होता जाता है. ये प्रोसेस बहुत स्लो होता है, दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी स्लो, और मैनी मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स टेक प्लेस टू फॉर्म दीज प्लेन्स. ओके, इसमें इन प्लेन्स को बनने में बहुत टाइम लगा है. ओके बेटा, क्योंकि प्रोसेस बहुत स्लो होता है. ओके, एंड द फाइन सिल्ट, जो फाइन सिल्ट होता है दैट इज डिपॉजिटेड बाय द रिवर्स इज कॉल्ड एलुवियम. ओके, जो सिल्ट होता है जो रिवर से अपने साइड में गैदर करती हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड alluvium, and this is very fertile soil. Okay, and that is alluvial soil is found there, and very good for crops, very good quality of crops are grown there in these plains. Okay, now the Ganga river basin, the river Ganga begins from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas, and Yamuna is its main tributary. And which is the main tributary of river Ganga? That is Yamuna. Okay, the Ganga and its tributaries flow through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, and in West Bengal, the river splits into two branches. कितनी branches में split हो जाती है वो? Two branches में. Okay, कहाँ पर? In West Bengal. Okay, one branch enters Bangladesh और one branch कहाँ enter हो जाती है? बांग्लादेश में, and is called पद्मा. तो वहां पर इसका नेम चेंज हो जाता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? रिवर पद्मा. क्लियर? एंड इट जॉइंस ब्रह्मपुत्र, it joins there the river Brahmaputra, and the other branch flows through West Bengal. और दूसरी जो branch है इस river की वो that is known as with the name Hooghly. उसको क्या कहते हैं? That is known as Hooghly. Okay, and now the Ganga plains you can see here, the middle part of the northern plains formed by the Ganga river and its tributaries. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Ghaggar, the Kosi, these are the main tributaries or branches of the river Ganga. Just see, these are the plains, northern plains in the picture. Okay, and now just see at the end, जब ये सारी रिवर्स बेटा कहाँ जाती है? लास्ट में, एंड में ये अपने ओशन में जाके मिल जाती हैं. ओके, बिग वाटर बॉडी में जाके मिल जाती हैं, और वहां पर ये क्या बनाती हैं? एक बहुत बड़ा डेल्टा. ओके, एंड दिस डेल्टा इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिवर गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र, एंड दिस इज नोन एज द सुंदरबन डेल्टा, एंड दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, और ये वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा डेल्टा है. ओके बेटा, दिस इज रिवर, दिस इज डेल्टा, एंड दिस इज ऑफ इन ट्रायंगुलर शेप. इसकी शेप क्या होती है डेल्टा की? ट्रायंगुलर शेप होती है. ओके, एंड दिस इज वाटर बॉडी सी. ओके, ये सारी रिवर्स यहाँ जाके मिल जाती हैं. ओके, अ डेल्टा इज अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप्ड लैंड फॉर्म्ड बाय अ रिवर बिफोर इट फ्लोज इनटू द सी. और सी में जाने से पहले ये पहले एक डेल्टा बनाती हैं. ओके, द नेम ऑफ दिस डेल्टा इज सुंदरबन. ओके, Yes. Now look at the picture. These are the Sundarban Delta. In the corner you can see, yes, the Sundarban Delta. Okay, and the trees here you can see trees are grown. This type of trees are found there. Okay, the Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra River Basin originates in Tibet and yes, where it is called Tsangpo. और यहाँ पर क्या बोला जाता है इसको? Tsangpo. In it enters, yes, this river enters India और ये इंडिया में एंटर हो जाती है थ्रू अरुणाचल प्रदेश. ये फ्लो थ्रू करती हुई हमारी कंट्री इंडिया में एंटर हो जाती है थ्रू अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड फ्लोज थ्रू आसाम. उसके बाद ये कहाँ जाती है रन करती हुई, कहाँ फ्लो थ्रू करती हुई जाती है? आसाम में. ओके, बिफोर एंटरिंग बांग्लादेश. ओके, एंड द ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड द गंगा rivers from the largest delta. the ब्रह्मपुत्र और जो गंगा रिवर है वो क्या बनाती है? बहुत बड़ा डेल्टा बनाती है, लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा इन द वर्ल्ड एंड बिफोर फॉलिंग इनटू द बे ऑफ बंगाल. और ये बे ऑफ बंगाल है वाटर बॉडी, इसमें लास्ट में मिलने से पहले, मिक्स होने से पहले वो रिवर्स का जो वाटर है उससे पहले एक बहुत बिग लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा फॉर्म करती हैं. ये देखिए डेल्टा डेल्टा यहाँ पे फॉर्म ट्रायंगुलर शेप डेल्टा एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस डेल्टा इज द सुंदरबन डेल्टा. ओके, यस. नाउ व्हाट इज बेसिन? अब बेसिन होता क्या है? आखिर आप बहुत देर से सुन रहे हैं कि मैम बार बार बेसिन बेसिन बोल रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज अ बेसिन? The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. ओके, जैसे अब हम लैंड में, कहीं लैंड में हम वाटर, जैसे कोई रिवर आ रही है, उस लैंड उस वाटर का जो वो जो रिवर का जो वाटर है वो लैंड से होके जा रहा है. ओके, और वो तो वो जो जिससे फिर वो उसी से वो बेसिन बना है. ओके, द एरिया वाटर्ड बाय अ रिवर एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज इज कॉल्ड अ इट्स बेसिन. तो उसी को बेसिन कहा जाता है जहाँ जिस एरिया में से वो निकल करके जा रही हैं. ओके, दीज थ्री रिवर्स Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, and their tributaries have formed the northern plains. और जो इनकी जो tributaries हैं इन सब ने मिलकर ही किसको बनाया है? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स को फॉर्म किया है. I hope it is too much clear to everyone. सबको अच्छे से समझ में होगा. You can see in the given picture, this is the main river and this is the tributary of the river. Okay, a smaller river that flows into the bigger river is the tributary of the bigger river. Clear everyone? Yes. Now, yes, अब हम पढ़ेंगे स्टेट्स के बारे में, जो स्टेट्स यहाँ पर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में हैं. ओके, दैट वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पंजाब. पंजाब से स्टार्ट हुए थे ना अपने नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. ओके, तो वी स्टडी अबाउट द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पंजाब. Farmers use in Punjab, farmers use tractors and harvesters. Okay, and people celebrate festivals. कौन से festivals हैं इनके main festivals? बैसाखी and Lohri. And which are the popular dance forms? Bhangra and Gidda are the popular dance forms of Punjab. Okay, and the Golden Temple in Amritsar is very famous tourist attraction. Okay, you can see at the corner, this is Golden Temple. These are crops grown by the farmers in Punjab, and you can see, and now the people of Punjab are following the modern techniques for farming. Okay, farming के लिए modern techniques को apply कर रहे हैं. Okay, now you can see in the given picture here. Yes, the Bhangra. Yes, the Bhangra and the popular the Bhangra and Gidda are the popular dance forms of Punjab. And the Golden Temple in Amritsar is a major tourist attraction. ओके, अगर आप नहीं गए हैं पंजाब तो आप जरूर जाइए और अमृतसर जाके यू मस्ट वॉच गोल्डन टेम्पल. ओके, इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. यस, नाउ व्हाट इज द ऑक्यूपेशन फॉलोड बाय द पीपल ऑफ पंजाब? पंजाब के जो पीपल है उनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है? यस, द पीपल फॉलोड यस फार्मिंग. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर. ओके, एंड yes, in the northern plains most farmers use tractors to plow their fields. और ज्यादातर लोग क्या यूज करते हैं आजकल? ट्रैक्टर्स यूज करते हैं to plow the field. Okay, yes, now life in the region of, yes, in which that is हरियाणा. Okay, हरियाणा की अब लाइफ कैसी है लोगों की? yes, Farmers use modern techniques, modern machines to increase agricultural production. वो अपने जो more and more crops को farmers want to grow more and more crops in Haryana. That is why these farmers of Haryana, you are using modern machines. Okay. And cattle rearing and dairy farming are other occupations followed by the people of Haryana. Clear, everyone? Faridabad and Gurgaon are famous for industries. Okay. Yes. Now, life in the region of National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. Just see, you can see the different monuments, different tourist places of Delhi, and I hope many of you have visited some of the monuments. Yes, the city is located, Delhi is located on the river bank of river Yamuna. कौन से river bank पर है located बेटा? यमुना पर. Okay, and यमुना किनारे है, and most people work in offices or have business. Okay, and Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's tomb, and Jama Masjid, and Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple are visited by tourists. और ये बहुत popular tourist attractions हैं, tourist places हैं जो दिल्ली में हैं, और आप सबको भी जब जाएं तो आप जरूर देखें इसको जाकर. Okay, now उत्तर प्रदेश. So वहाँ उत्तर प्रदेश की लाइफ कैसी है? Just see, it is very famous for guava. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guava, mangoes, and chicken curry embroidery. Okay, and silk sari and brassware work. Okay, brassware जो है उसके utensils बहुत famous हैं, इसके pots वगैरह. Okay, and silk saris are very famous here in Uttar Pradesh, and chicken curry embroidery work of Lucknow is very famous. Okay. Yes, and sugar, textile, leather, and chemical industries are also located in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela. Now, the name is Prayagraj is very famous for Kumbh Mela. और यहाँ 12 साल में लगता है after every 12 years. Okay, and Agra, Varanasi, and Lucknow are some places of main tourist places to there of Agra. Okay, yes, here you can see life in the region of Bihar. अब बिहार की लाइफ कैसी है? Yes, it is famous for lychee and Bhagalpur silk. Okay, जो बिहार है वो लीची के लिए बहुत फेमस है, और भगलपुर सिल्क है वो भी बहुत यहाँ का पॉपुलर है. ओके, एंड लिट्टी चोखा एंड सत्तू पराठा आर पॉपुलर फूड डिशेज. आ गया ना, मुंह में पानी है ना? यस, तो लिट्टी चोखा और सत्तू पराठा बहुत पॉपुलर फेमस डिशेज है. ओके, कहाँ की? बिहार की. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज people speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. The people of Bihar speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Okay, and Patna, Gaya, and Rajgir are some places of tourist of attraction of Bihar. Okay, now we will study about now West Bengal. Okay, which type of life is found here in this region in West Bengal? Yes, people grow which type of crops? Rice, jute, and tea. These are the main food crops grown by the people here. Okay, grown by the farmers. And West Bengal is famous for Darjeeling tea. Okay, yes, you must learn and you must remember. Okay, and people speak in West Bengal Bangla. Before Bengal and before Bangla, you must learn. What is the regional language of West Bengal? Bangla. Okay, and Durga Puja is the main festival of West Bengal. हम सब भी करते हैं पूजा, है ना, लेकिन जो वेस्ट बंगाल है वहां का ये मेन फेस्टिवल है. ओके, दुर्गा पूजा इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ West Bengal. You can see in the given picture. Just see, this is the women are just collecting the tea. Okay, from the tea gardens, and all other crops are also, rice are also grown there. Yes. Now Assam. Okay, Just see, we will study about the life of the people of Assam. Yes, Assam is very famous for tea and silk, okay, and natural gas and petroleum, okay, and people of Assam speak Assamese, okay. देखो कितना easy है ना? Assam and languages, regional languages, Assamese, okay, and they celebrate Bihu. The people of Assam celebrate Bihu is the main festival of Assam. Okay, you can see this is the Bihu dance. Okay, so you can see. Okay, the coastal plains. The coastal plains are divided into western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains, and these plains meet at Kanyakumari. कहाँ मिलते हैं ये? Kanyakumari. This is the southernmost tip of our country. Okay, यहाँ जाकर मिलते हैं. These are eastern coastal plain and these are the western coastal plain. Clear, everyone? Yes, and the western coastal plain is divided into three parts, that are Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. Okay, and the eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts, that are Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Clear, everyone? Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Now you can see very clearly through this map. Okay, yes, our जो अपने कोस्टल प्लेन्स है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ. ओके, यहाँ गुजरात से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ओके, फिर यहाँ पर कोंकण कोस्ट. ओके, एंड देन मालाबार कोस्ट. ओके, और कहाँ मिलते हैं जाके ये दोनों कोस्ट? एट कन्याकुमारी. ओके, एंड जस्ट हियर दिस इज कोरोमंडल कोस्ट एंड देन northern Sarkars. Okay, and this is Chilika Lake. You can see. Okay, this is Chilika Lake, and this is also known as with the name Utkal Coast. Okay, you can see western coastal plains are located in Arabian Sea, and here, okay, and in the western, yes, and यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप कहाँ कहाँ है. ये रेड आपको पैंट सर्कल नजर आ रहा है. दिस इज गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ. ओके, गुजरात कोस्ट, एंड हियर just see this is Konkan coast. You can see here this is Goa, and this is Malabar coast. Okay, you can see here, and this is the red point. You can see the southernmost tip. This is Kanyakumari. I hope it is very much clear to everyone. Okay, now you can see these are the coastal plains. Okay, these are the coastal plains. You can see. Okay, ये लैंड सरफेस है, ये कोस्टल प्लेन कहलाता है. ओके, ये वाटर बॉडी है, ये ओशन है, ये सी है. अब यहाँ ये इसका वाटर और जहाँ लैंड मीट करता है वो क्या होता है? कोस्ट होता है, कोस्टल प्लेन्स. ओके, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर आल्सो. ओके, दीज आर द कोस्टल प्लेन्स. क्लियर एवरीवन? यस. Yes, now the life in the region, life of the Gujarat. अब हम जो coastal plains की जो states है ना उनके बारे में study करेंगे. Okay, we will study about the states those covered the area of the coastal plains. Okay, yes, Gujarat. तो यहाँ कहाँ से start होते हैं अपने coastal plains? गुजरात से, in the western part. Okay, people are engaged in trading, farming, and dairy farming. Okay, and salt making, textile and oil production and diamond cutting. These are the different types of occupations followed by the people, done by the people of Gujarat. Gujarat के people ये वाले occupations करते हैं. Okay, and most people of Gujarat speak Gujarati language. Okay, and Ras Garba is a popular folk dance. You can see that the corner, this is Ras Garba. Ras Garba is a popular folk dance done by the people. Clear? Yes. And just see, this is animal rearing, this is salt making also done by the people. Salt bhi banate hain. You can see the salt making done by the people of Gujarat. Okay, yes. Now the life of the Goa. Okay, अब हम यहाँ गोवा की जो पीपल हैं वो क्या क्या करते हैं, जस्ट सी उनकी लाइफ कैसे स्पेंड है करते हैं वो. सी, सो द पीपल ऑफ गोवा इज फेमस. यस, यहाँ जो गोवा है वो किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? वहाँ के क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो फेमस हैं बहुत? वो है कैश्यूनट, कैश्यूनट्स जो काजू होते हैं, एंड मैंगोज. ओके, यू कैन सी दीज आर द कैश्यूनट्स. गोवा इज फेमस फॉर द कैश्यूनट्स. ओके, एंड मैंगोज आल्सो, and vindaloo and suti. These are the food dishes. Okay, famous food dishes of this state of Goa. Okay, and large deposits of iron ore and mango are found in the state. Okay, and people speak Konkani. What is the regional language of Goa? Goa की जो regional language है वो कौन सी है? Konkani. So you must learn. And Saint Xavier's Church, Fort Agoda, and Dudhsagar Falls Lake are some places of tourist attraction of Goa. Just see this at the corner, right hand side corner, you can see these are the picture of Dudhsagar Lake and this is the Fort Agoda. Okay, and cashew nut are famous, and here just see this is Vindaloo. Okay, this is Vindaloo famous food dishes. And now you can see we'll study about Kerala. Okay, so which type of life is found here in Kerala? Yes, Kerala is famous for rice, for coconut, for rubber, tea, coffee, and spices. Okay, and coir making from coconut fibers is an important industry. Okay, जो कॉयर ये रस्सियां बनाते हैं किससे बनाते हैं? कोकोनट का जो फाइबर होता है उससे. ओके, एंड कथकली यू कैन सी दिस इज द कथकली डांस फॉर्म एंड मोहिनीअट्टम यू कैन सी. So these are the classical dance forms of famous dance forms of Kerala. Okay, and people speak Malayalam. और यहाँ के जो people हैं वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं बोलते हैं? That is Malayalam. Okay, the people of Kerala speak Malayalam. And people of Kerala celebrate Onam and Vishu. Okay, this is the Onam and Vishu. These are the popular festivals celebrated by the people of Kerala. Okay, yes. Now, life of the region तमिलनाडु. अब तमिलनाडु के जो पीपल हैं वो कौन से क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं? तमिलनाडु इज फेमस फॉर टी, कॉफी एंड सिल्क वीविंग. ओके, सिल्क बनाने में भी बहुत फेमस है और टी कॉफी भी वहां पर ग्रो की जाती है. ओके, इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी. Tamil is the main language of Tamil Nadu. Which language is famous? Is main regional language of Tamil people? Yes, that is Tamil. Tamil is a famous language for Tamil Nadu. Okay, and Pongal is the main important festival of Tamil Nadu. Which is the main festival of Tamil Nadu? Pongal. Okay, and Bharatanatyam is the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. You can see this is Bharatanatyam. Clear, everyone? I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Write in आप उसमें लिखकर बताएंगे मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कि आपको ये समझ में आ गया, yes or no. We have understood nicely which topic. Okay, yes. And life in the, और आपने कौन कौन सी टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस, जो फेमस टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस हैं वो कौन कौन से आपने देखे हैं, विजिट करे हैं, उनके बारे में भी आप मुझे कमेंट करके लिखकर जरूर बताएंगे. ओके, एंड और कौन सी स्टेट से आप बिलोंग करते हैं. ओके बेटा, यस. सो लाइफ इन द रीजन आंध्र प्रदेश. तो वहां की लाइफ कैसी है आंध्र प्रदेश की? विच टाइप ऑफ लाइफ इज फाउंड इन आंध्र प्रदेश? आंध्र प्रदेश इज वेरी फेमस फॉर माइका, लाइमस्टोन, kalamkari work and Kondapalli toys. You can see this is the kalamkari work. This is very nice and beautiful paintings made in kalamkari. Okay, इस पेंटिंग को हम क्या कहते हैं? कलमकारी. ओके, दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ painting is kalamkari. Okay, and you can see kuchipudi is famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh, and this is Kondapalli toys. है ना, इनकी नेक मूव करती है ना बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत प्यारे से अपने ये लगते हैं. और विशाखापट्टनम जो है वहां का मेन पोर्ट है. ओके, from where the ships depart or arrive. Okay, the place that. Yes, life of the region of Odisha. Odisha की life कैसी है? Yes, Odisha is famous for textiles, silver work and handicraft. Okay, and coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are found here. Okay, in Odisha, and Curtain and Rarukela are important industrial centers of Odisha, and Odissi is a famous popular dance of this state. Just see, this is the Odissi. Okay, this dance form is known as with the name Odissi. Okay, And Rath Yatra is popular festival. Just see, Rath Yatra is very popular festival of Odisha. And Chilika Lake is a place of tourist attraction. You can see the Chilika Lake is very famous place of the people. Okay, thank you very much for watching carefully. Okay, and now आपको मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए, जरूर से लिखकर बताइए कि फ्रॉम विच स्टेट यू बिलोंग और हाउ मैनी टूरिस्ट प्लेस हैव यू विजिटेड. ओके, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, टेक केयर ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड यस बेटा, और सबको बहुत ध्यान रखना है. स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी. ओके, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, बाय बाय, लव यू ऑल.